This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
To gain access to the pollen filter, first remove the side panel from the centre console on the driver's side, then remove the lower fascia panel on the same side by prising the necessary panel clips. Remove the air distribution duct and then carefully release the clutch hydraulic fluid pipes from the retaining clips on the pedal box. Release the wiring loom, then unbolt the clutch pedal mounting nuts. There is no need to disconnect the wiring plugs. Carefully rotate and lower the pedal into the footwell and avoid straining the wiring loom. Unclip the wiring loom from the side of the air distribution housing. On some models, the filter cover is held in place by screws, and on others it is a simple clip fit. Remove the screws or unclip the cover as appropriate. Remove the cover. Pull the filter from the housing. The filter will have to be deformed to clear the steering column and pedal assembly. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the filter. They should point into the cabin or away from the engine. Inspect the housing for any debris and vacuum it out as necessary. Manoeuvre the pollen filter into the housing with the arrows indicating airflow in the correct direction. Refit the cover and mounting screws or secure the mounting clip. Tighten the screws securely. Clip the wiring loom onto the side of the air distribution housing. Refit the clutch pedal onto the mounting studs. Screw on the nuts by hand and then tighten the nuts to 21 Newton meters in the order shown. Attach the necessary clutch pedal wiring looms, then attach the clutch hydraulic fluid pipes to their respective retaining clips. Refit the lower fascia panel and secure the panel retaining clips. Refit the driver's side centre console side panel securely in place.